What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and making a short review on the Plextone G700 gaming headset. Of course, shout out to Plextone for sending me this for a review. And I think the main selling point of the G700 is that it's one of the lightest over-the-ear gaming headset at just 275 grams. And the box itself is very light. And this is definitely one of the cheapest gaming headset at just 500 pesos right now at Shopee. But the question is, did Plextone focus too much on the weight and price of the gaming headset that sound quality might suffer too much? Well, let's find out. So you're able to mute the microphone with a switch on the left ear cup, a 190mm long rotating mic, a metal bracket, and pronunciation unit written here. And on the left side, we have professional gaming headset design written here, stereo sound, comfortable ear muffs, and durable, great wide compatibility, and it looks like the G700 comes with a combo mic and audio jack with an included audio splitter if you're going to be using this for a desktop PC. And at the back of the box, we have 275 grams here, spacious over-the-ear design, designed to make gamer boil. I mean, I don't prefer to be boiled, but oh well. Stainless steel material arm, rotating and finalizable microphone. And yeah, has a 900mm long audio splitter, great wide compatibility again. And this actually comes with two color options, or should I say two color accents, black with a red accent and black with a gray accent, which is the one that I have with me, which is very nice. Not really a fan of red gaming gears. So this comes with a 1-year warranty and the user guide. And here we have the audio splitter. And here we have the G700 itself wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, so initial thoughts on build quality and design. So again, it's really light at just 275 grams. And the ear cups themselves feel really hollow and cheap. So I would expect that for the price. And this is what the top looks like with a foam pad here. And no RGB and LED bling blings here, which is fine for me. We have the microphone, which you can bend to however you want. But I feel like it's too flimsy to stay in one place. And on the left side, we have the volume wheel and also the switch to mute your microphone. So again, this is an over-the-ear design with the foam covered in synthetic leather. And inside, we have this orange cloth-like mesh. And the cable is braided, which is a very nice touch. So I'm gonna test these out and come back to you guys with my short review on the Plextone G700 the next day. Okay mga kuya, so nagbabalik na po tayo. So in terms of using the Plextone G700s, these are actually a joy to use. I mean, if you can ignore like the mediocre or cheap feeling build quality, then yeah, this is a great gaming headset in terms of sound quality. And I guess the only thing on the G700 that doesn't feel as cheap as the rest of the headset themselves are these metal brackets. Like, they feel really nice when you adjust them. So you can adjust them, of course, to how big your head is. So yeah. And as expected from a light gaming headset, there's pretty much little to no clamping force when you're wearing them. But on the positive side, if you're someone who's wearing glasses, then this isn't annoying to wear compared to most gaming headsets in the market that have strong or moderate clamping force, if that makes sense. So in terms of build quality, I'm not really complaining. Of course, considering the price, just 500 pesos or $10 US. But what the G700 lacks in build quality more than makes up for sound. So the output from the G700 is loud and clear for the most part. But in terms of listening to music, the lower frequencies or the bass just overpowers the mids and highs. So I guess you could say that's kind of a characteristic already for Plextone headsets or even earbuds, just like with my Plextone G20s. So in terms of listening to music, I guess it all comes down to personal preference. If you prefer having a punchy bass on your gaming headset, and the Plextone G700s are just great for gaming. Directional audio is really good, especially considering that this is a budget gaming headset. So you can easily hear what's going on around you, the footsteps, gunshot sounds, and all the little sound details that you'd want to hear, especially if you're playing something like competitive FPS games. Hello, mic test, sound check. So this is how the built-in microphone on the Plextone G700 sounds like, and I actually advise you to lower the microphone volume to 80 if you want to be able to get this sound quality. But other than that, this is how it sounds like, unedited and completely untouched. And since this is an over-the-ear gaming headset, it offers good noise isolation. But of course, don't expect any fancy noise cancelling features here. Again, 500 pesos. And so my verdict for the Plextone G700. So in terms of sound quality alone, this offers great value. Again, at just 500 pesos or just $10 US. So I actually don't mind that it feels cheap, which makes sense since Plextone is advertising this as a lightweight gaming headset. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a great gaming headset, especially to the people who wear glasses while gaming. So very nice. Of course, in terms of sound quality, this won't be beating the more expensive gaming headsets in the market, so yeah. And I can easily recommend the Plextone G700, of course, to pretty much anyone, especially to the budget-conscious gamers out there. Offers you great sound quality for the price and an okay mic for the most part. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy this. And of course, the easiest way to support the channel is by leaving a like. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications so we can balance this out. As always, stay safe mga kuya. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.